Hi, I'm Ray. I'm in the garden and it's the 1st of August. Now many people on the allotment have asked what they can grow in August. So I've just gone through a few of my seeds and I'm having a look, and I'll show you as well what we can also grow in August. So many of my allotment holder friends are packing their allotments up for the week, for the end of the year, covering them up with sheets, but there's still some things we can grow. So let me show you a few things that we can grow, and we start off with some radishes. We can still do radishes and they're very quick, and these can be done pretty much all year round, so that's a good start. And we've got cherry bell and we've got French breakfast, and they're two very popular radishes. We've also got beetroots. We've still got time for beetroots, and these say they can be sowed from March up to July, but the weather that we've had, we'll still be able to get some more beetroots, and the beetroots I've had has been pretty good this year. And we can still do turnips. Turnips can still be done along with some Swedes, and both those can be done, still planted directly into the ground. And we have some chard. Chard can be done still. This can be done right through from March right through to July, but they can still be done during August. And we've got bright lights, and we've got rhubarb chard. Also, for quick crops, we've got some lettuce. We've still got some lettuce that we can be done, and these can be done right through to October. And this is all year round. And we've got leaf salad mix, a stir-fry mix, and also mazuma also can be done in August. So it's good to keep the salads still flowing. Also, we've got some cabbage. We can still do cabbage, and this is a Primo 11. This is suitable from March through to July, and it's a compact plant suitable for small areas. So that can be still done in August. Keeping on the cabbage theme, we've got kohlrabi. Kohlrabi can be still sown from March right through to July, so we can still stick some of this directly in the ground. Carrots. Carrots can also be done, and I'm going to try some carrots in the polytunnel. And we've got autumn king. These can be sown right through to July, and also Amsterdam too can be sown from January right through to July. So they can still be done in August. There's still time. The weather that we've had has been so dodgy, they can still be done. And then we go on to some broccoli, and this is the purple sprouting. So this can be done now, and it can be grown all throughout the whole winter. And also kale. We can still do kale. This can be sown from May right through to August, and this is a great tasty vegetable, ideal for filling the hungry gut during the winter. So that's two kales. And going along with kale, we've also got Chinese kale and Chinese cabbage. Both of these can be sown from April right through to September, and the Chinese Wong Bok can be sown right up to August. So there's still two more Chinese kale and a Chinese cabbage. Also, there's sprouts. We can still start some sprouts, and these can be for the winter. And this is not an overwintering one, but this can be sown February, March. So this is a not a suitable one, but I will bring it in for the account. And also, we've got some leeks, and we can start doing leeks. And leeks would be good to go in the beds where the potatoes have come out, and that'd be ideal. And this is musselburgh, and this is a long, thin step, impressive winter hardiness, good for main crop production. So, along with that, along with some spinach, and this is matador. This can be sown right from March right through to August, It's a deep green succulent leaves for summer long crop, ideal for sowing in succession, constant supply of tasty leaves. So that's a few seeds that we can sow in August, and we can also try growing some potatoes in pots for Christmas, and also garlics and onions will be out, so they can be done soon. Going back to the onions, we've got some Japanese Senshu yellow onions. These can be sown August, September. This is a heavy yielding variety, bred for autumn sowing. Semi-glowed shaved bulbs with golden skin with an inner flesh. And we can also do some spring onions, and this is white Lisbon. This can be sown from March right through till September. So we have got a few bits we can sow during August. So I'm going to make a start, stick some of these in the ground and start growing something in the polytunnel for winter. So I hope that helps, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more videos, and we'll watch these grow. Thank you very much. Cheers.